Are you okay?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
No, it's good.
Look at the smoke coming out. That's the back brake, gotcha. No way, dude. Thank you, man. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Wait, this is so cool, dude. Whoa. Wow. Let's go, dude. Thank you. Make sure I have my lights on. There we go. I got the headlight on. It actually helps. And drove the track. Oh my god. I swear I was hitting the brake as much as I could right there.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, Timothy. See how fast you can go. I need to hold my helmet down.